What comes to your mind when you think of AI? Siri, Alexa, driverless cars, email spam filters, mobile check deposits, or Snapchat facial filters? Well, how can AI apply to a supply chain? Supply chains are complex with unintegrated and limited data managed using outdated ERP software. So, how can companies use AI now to optimize their supply chain? The other overlooked aspect to AI is human augmentation. The near future is not human replacement, but human enhancement through AI. Intelligent augmentation removes human bias, facilitates technology user interactions, and improves human advisory work by providing predictive insight to make better decisions faster. Supply chain AI intelligently integrates finance, sales, purchasing, and manufacturing to augment human performance and respond quickly to disruptions. Some case uses of AI in the supply chain include advanced defect pattern matching to predict part failures and invoice matching to ensure accurate financial data. Another example is supply planning, as used in the Supply Chain Manager Days of Supply interface, which predicts inventory stockouts based on average material consumption rates. Complex, globalized supply chains have much to gain from supply chain AI. Intelligent augmentation enhances the understanding and decision-making of employees, allowing them to make fast and effective actions.